Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is U.S. awards $13 million contract to Northrop Grumman for 155mm artillery precision guidance kits. The U.S. Department of War has announced the signing of a new agreement with Northrop Grumman for the production and delivery of precision guidance kit, PGK, modules for 155mm artillery ammunition. The contract, valued at $13 million, is an annex to a multi-year agreement and is fully funded upon signing, with deliveries scheduled for completion by May 2028. Neither the purchaser nor the manufacturer has disclosed specific details of the order. Production will take place at Northrop Grumman's facility in Plymouth, Minnesota. The M1156 PGK module, originally developed by Alliant Tech Systems and now part of Northrop Grumman, enables conventional 155mm artillery shells to be guided for use in systems such as the M777 and M109 operated by U.S. forces. The system is also offered for export, with countries including the Netherlands, for use with the PZH-2000, and Norway identified as interested buyers. According to U.S. Army units, despite its high unit cost, the M1156 PGK allows precision fire at extended ranges. The margin of error does not exceed 30 meters regardless of distance. The manufacturer is currently developing a new version of the kit designed to be more resistant to interference than the existing model. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.